Are you an options buyer searching for the best trends to capitalize on quickly? Today let's talk about an indicator that may not be on everyone's radar, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to options trading. Today we are diving into a highly useful tool for options trading, the Average Directional Index or ADX. Let's break down how this indicator can help you sharpen your trades and potentially increase your profits. The ADX is a tool that tells you how strong a trend is in the market. It doesn't care whether the market is going up or down, just how powerful the movement is. You can think of ADX as a trend strength detector. And here's how it works. When the market is in a strong trend, whether it's going up or down, the ADX value increases. Wait for the ADX to be above 25 and then look for opportunities to ride that trend, preferably by buying into temporary dips. When the market is moving sideways without much direction, like being stuck in traffic, the ADX value decreases. It's ideal not to make any option buys when ADX is less than 20. Let's look at an example. Here we see ADX turning up, price breakout, and a big green candle. Perfect time to buy a call option. As ADX kept rising, the price trended up nicely. Our option would have gained value quickly here. Once the ADX flattened out, that would be our signal to take profits. Notice how ADX fell soon after. That's why we don't hold options when ADX is declining and the trend is weakening. I'm using Punch here, which has your favorite technical indicators and the ADX on a single screen. The ADX is a summation of two other indicators, plus DI and minus DI. The plus DI tells you how strong the upward price movements are, while the minus DI tells you how strong the downward movements are. The default setting on ADX is 14, which can be customized. All this is not set in stone, so I suggest you try different settings and experiment what works for you. While ADX is a helpful tool, it's important to remember some limitations. It's a lagging indicator. ADX relies on past price data, so it can be slow to react for the most recent market moves. There is no directional information. ADX doesn't tell you whether the market is going up or down. However, the traders can use the plus DI and minus DI values to find that information. False signals. In markets that aren't trending, ADX can sometimes give misleading signals because the plus DI and minus DI may cross each other very frequently, making it very hard to tell what's really happening. And there you have it, a simple way to use ADX for smarter options buying. Remember to practice trade before risking real money. And thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your trading buddies. See you next time, and as always, happy trading.